In this video, let's talk about Tesla stock. We have such an amazing setup, an A-plus setup, and in this video, I really want to go in depth on what I am looking at because this is going to be my number one play for this week. So full video on Tesla, the call option, price target, all of that. We have made several videos like this. For example, on Apple stock, this hit over 200%. We talked about Nike. We played Nike. This hit over 300%. Coinbase hit over 300%. And then on the Discord, you guys can see the live buy and sell alerts. So on the Discord, I do live buy and sell alerts. I get it pretty early, but solid 60% here, hit over 200%. Nike 80%. Again, really solid. Buy here, sell here. I'm not dragging the price target on like when other analysts do. This hit well over 300% if you take a look at the chart now. But in this video, I really want to go in depth. Okay, I want to go in depth on this Tesla play because I really want to do a trade here for Tesla this week. So let's get started. SundayStockTalk.com. I'm dropping the newsletter tomorrow right at market open. We got a lot of stocks. I'm going to drop that on SundayStockTalk.com and subscribe with notifications on if you have not already. And let's get started with the chart. So let's take a look at the big picture first, okay? The biggest picture is that we are in a overall downtrend. And if we take a look at Tesla stock, we're in a overall downtrend right here. We had this downtrend breakout. And then occasionally we'll have consolidation patterns, and then we'll break that out. Or have a consolidation pattern here and break this to the downside, or another one right here and then break this to the downside. So you could see that this is a very nice pattern. Looks very similar to something like the SPY, where SPY breaks out, goes to the upside or whatnot. But for Tesla, it's of this downtrend. Okay, we're consolidating and then we're breaking it to the downside. Okay, like here. So right here, we have another consolidation here. Now, keep in mind that this is the lowest it has ever been, and we are in a downtrend, and we are starting to make higher lows here. So if we take a look at like the big time frame, what is the probability that we break this symmetrical triangle to the downside or to the upside? So that is what, one thing that I'm thinking about when I'm going into this play, especially since symmetrical triangle is a neutral pattern. We can break this to the upside or to the downside. We can either break this to the downside and fill the gap down below, or break out to the upside and go for this resistance. Now, one thing that I really like about this play on Tesla is that it is very similar to our play on Nike, like literally identical, same symmetrical triangle. And just like Nike, if you guys remember with Nike, we got in Nike, but then we were waiting, couple of days. We got in right at the support right here. As you can see, we can zoom in. We got in like right at the support right here, but we were waiting like 3 days, and it was just trading sideways. And this was the day, I was telling you guys in the Discord, who made several videos on it, this was going to be the day. Like, I'm getting out, before that week, because this was the closing candle. This decided if we break out to the upside or to the downside. And eventually we had a massive pop to the upside. So with Tesla, we are setting up, we are building that. And just like Nike, again, this is why I'm loving this setup, because it looks just like the Nike setup. So I'm going to color this this yellow, because again, as you guys can see, we have this consolidation. So the perfect entry would be right in at the level of support. So tomorrow, if we have a red day, I want to buy in. I want to buy in right at the support, just like what we did with Nike. So we got in at the support, and then we're still trading sideways. So we still have some more time for Tesla to trade sideways right here. So by the end of the week, or we might need another week. So I think next week call options might be the play to go. But I might need 2 weeks on calls for Tesla. We still need some time for it to get tighter and tighter. So as we expand our resistance and as we expand our support, we could see that hopefully by the end of the week, it's going to decide if we break out to the downside or to the upside. So this is the chart on Tesla, and this is the chart on Nike. Again, very, very identical, very, very similar. It looks very, very similar, which is very, very interesting. So let's go back to Tesla right here. This is going to be the perfect entry right in at the level of support. So I want to play weekly call options. One trade that I want to do is off the weekly call options, because we can also play, so we have this symmetrical triangle setup, or we could just play this consolidation setup. So if tomorrow we do have a red day, I want to play weekly calls and then play the bounce, and then a price target would be like the resistance, like that. So I got many trade ideas, but stay tuned in the Discord. It's going to be either a day trade or a swing trade. Stay tuned in the Discord. If you have not already, make sure to join the Discord, link in the description, and use code 2024 for 50% off lifetime. I also just have had a small account challenge play, so make sure to check that out. So this is what we are taking a look at Tesla. It looks really good, very, very nice. Now, for price target is going to be our resistance. We have a solid resistance right here, and then we have a solid resistance right here. So this is what we are taking a look at. Now, I want to go to the options profit calculator. Again, 2 trades that I want to do. One is going to be weeklies, playing the bounce off the level of support. Then one is going to be playing the symmetrical triangle breakout. So let's go here, and I want to do June 21st. I think 2 weeks is going to be enough time. Now, what I want to do over here is I'm going to add another line. So let's add a vertical line here. June 21st. So, since I have my line here, which is this is going to be the potential expiration, I could see how much time we have until expiration. So this is how much time we have. So you could see that the symmetrical triangle is getting tighter and tighter. So by that expiration, it should have already broken out. So that is my logic. Going in with the June 21st expiration. So $820 calls. You can also do spreads, call debit spread, and all of that. We have price target at 180 and then 186. So if we go here and type in 186, that's going to be a solid 50% depending upon when we hit that, a 30% depending upon when we hit that. So this is going to be really our conservative price target here. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really need more time to decide on the contract. I'm going to see what happens tomorrow and the next day, but I'll keep you guys updated on Discord, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. SundayStockTalk.com for the newsletter that I'm going to be dropping tomorrow, and hope you guys liked this video. Bye.